you all? Welcome to today's session. This is Sana Khan, your math master teacher at Vedantu. So guys, today is the math lab activity day. So we are going to do a fun activity where we are going to learn the concepts about the angles of a parallelogram and some other properties. So are you ready? Well, we have already learned these concepts this week and I'm going to show you guys practically that how we can prove them actually. Okay guys, so आपने तो पढ़ा था कि so let's just first write down what we are going to prove today. So proof number 1 written over here, to prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now second thing, what we always write is what are the things given to us? The things given to us are a parallelogram which is having opposite sides parallel. Now for that we first need to construct the parallelogram. So note down the things that you will be requiring to do this activity. Number 1, a blank sheet of paper. You can take a colored sheet or a blank sheet, both are fine. Number 2, you will be requiring your compass and pencil. Then number 3 will be a ruler. Number 4 can be a sketch pen or a marker pen, but it is absolutely optional. And these are the only things that you will be requiring today to do this activity. So shall we start and let's see that how we can prove the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal. So let's begin. So guys, I have cut out this parallelogram. As you can see, the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are parallel, and I have colored the opposite angles with black color to mark them different. And first we will prove that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and then we will prove the next theorem that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so first let's prove the first theorem that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So for that you have to cut these two angles out. So cut out these two angles quickly as I am showing you. You have to be very precise in cutting out the angle. And now say I have cut out one of the angle, let's cut out the other angle too. So similarly I have cut out the second angle also. So this was the first angle and this is the second angle of this parallelogram, right? So now let us try to overlap these two angles. Okay, so when I try to overlap these two angles, you can clearly see that the two angles are exactly overlapping each other. Wait, let me just show you all. See, as you all can see, the two angles are exactly overlapping each other, and you are not able to see the second angle which is there just behind it, right? So hence we prove that the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are absolutely equal. Okay, now let's see another theorem. So guys, this is how we can prove that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are absolutely equal, right? Now, are you ready to prove another theorem? The second theorem, the second property of parallelogram that we are going to prove today is adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Now what do we mean by supplementary? That means adjacent angles of a parallelogram added up will always give you a sum of 180 degree. Okay, so let's see how we can prove this theorem and why the sum of the angles is 180 degree. So guys, I have taken the same parallelogram again and I am going to cut the adjacent angle. So I am going to use this angle which I have previously cut. आपको याद होगा कि इससे पहले मैंने इस parallelogram से एक angle cut out किया था. Remember this? So this is the angle A, and now I am going to cut out the adjacent angle B from this parallelogram. So let me cut it out quickly for you all. So I have cut out the adjacent angle of this. So this was angle A, and now this is angle B, the adjacent angle of the parallelogram. Let's try to place it on a scale and let's see what happens. So I have placed it above the scale, right above the scale, and I have placed the second angle, that is the adjacent angle, right above it. And as you all can clearly see that angle A, and let me just write it over here for you all. We can see clearly that angle A and angle B are forming a linear pair because they are forming a straight line. If I remove the scale, you can clearly see that these two are forming an absolutely straight line. And what is the measurement of a straight line? A straight line always measures 180 degree. So hence we have proved that if we add the adjacent angles of a parallelogram ABCD, angle A plus angle B, it will be equal to 180 degree always. So the adjacent angle property of a parallelogram is proved. Okay. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.